Hello fellow gamers, welcome back to another episode of Beginnings of Minerival. Last time we built this house, I added a anvil, and off screen I decided to gather some resources. I got a bunch of iron. I got some CDs, so today we are going to make something. But what we really need to make is a road. Probably should do that soon. We should actually probably... Oh wait. Let's make the road. Shall we? Wait, that's not how it works. I also got a bunch of redstone. Plan to be using that. So I guess I'll start digging the path. Actually, I tried to record this episode and have it a mining episode, but it didn't work. Like when I stopped it kind of shut down. Keeps doing that, so yeah. You know what? My screen recorder is just like that. I'm gonna have to accept it. Just can kind of be crappy sometimes. So let's have this would be this area. Not a house area. Maybe just like cattle farm area. I don't know. Area for those kind of buildings. I'm going to need a lot of stone. Actually, that's not what I was going to do. I was going to make stone bricks. I don't know. I have a lot of dirt. How do you make coarse dirt? Maybe I can do that. Let's go get rid of this. Alright. Then we need to go through here. Maybe up a bit. You know, I don't know if it's possible to make in vanilla Minecraft, but there should be like horse carriages. Like you use the lead on like horses, and you connect it to something else. I don't know, it could be really interesting. Just saying. I'm going to start using my pickaxe. Alright, so I have to go up then. This might be a tunnel. Yeah, it's going to be one. Also, I do have keep inventory on, so if I'm lost, I can just like kill myself. Not that I planned on getting lost. Plan on not getting lost. Besides, how... Oh, my thing... My shovel broke. I'm gonna have to make a new one. Let's see how well that stone's coming. Okay. Put that in there. Now if I'm right, this is how you make stone bricks. Oh yeah. Something tells me I'm gonna have to do a lot of mining off screen. I'll probably do most of the streets off screen. I might make it really pretty, put like spotlights. I mean, I got a bunch of the fence. Don't know why I got so much fence. Definitely need more. For now, I'll just craft another shovel. I don't know why I did that. But I don't know a lot of things. Like, what 2 times 2 is? Or like 9 plus 10 is. I think it's 12. I mean, saying it isn't at all. But I know 8 is in the real world. Dude. This is gonna be... I kinda chose a spot close to a plains area. So the road's gonna stretch out way out here. Just way out here. Don't mind the road, it's just way out here. So it's gonna be the main street. So much dirt I can't pick it up. That's when you know you got a lot of dirt. Alright, we'll make it go this long and we'll grow bigger as we go. Oh, and the wheat's growing. We decided to grow some wheat. Alright. Don't got much of that. So today we are going to be building houses. So I'm just going to make the house street. I kind of made this road. Just kind of gradually goes up. Then suddenly goes up a lot. Good. Some special houses I can already tell. Some houses might be supported. Some might be like not even touching the ground. We'll make a lot of creative houses. I'll be sure to make like all the buildings like houses well on screen. I feel like this is a bit too high. What the heck did I just do? Alright. Alright. This is good. Don't think this is gonna help. But anyway. Let's build my house. So I need to get that wood. I'll be right back. Alright, I'm back. Wrong door. I got some wood while I was waiting. Well, during that period, I watched a video. Nothing like multitasking. So anyway, I got a good amount of stone. I forgot to make a bunch of stone bricks. Wait a second. We have important business to deal with. Just make a couple stacks of this. Oh wait. By next video I'll have the road all made. So the first house I think we gotta make is my house, alright. So how about a go at it? Wait. This is where the road's gonna be. Alright, I'll just place a bit of this so I know. Alright. Now alright, planks. I think I had some in the furnace. The old furnace. I really don't need a big house. I just want like a nice looking one. A small house, but fashionable. I got this. Nothing like dabs. 2 dabs a day keeps the whip away. Man. Got powerful sneezes. Sneezels. Damn. This is gonna take forever. Okay, alright, I got this. Gotta make a stack of wood. Alright. Get away, horse. Look, I left my hay at home. Come back later, maybe I can get you some. Okay, so yeah. How long is this video anyway? It's been a good while. It might just be constructing the streets. That I don't know how much time it's been because I haven't been keeping track of the Minecraft days. Yeah, time system. And since I paused, also makes it very hard. Maybe about 15 minutes so far. I'll say that I'll be like 10 minutes off. Okay, so I'll make my house. Let me finish the road. I want to finish the road. I just really want to finish the road. And then, alright, that's the end of this road. Alright. So I'll make my house right over here. I mean, not really over here. I mean, like in front of me. That is how good my dancing skill is. I just kidding. I can dance very good if I try. It's good to me, at least. I'm gonna go get dirt like a boss. That might be enough. We'll see. I just noticed this, but my axe is like almost broken. Anyway, put this here, this here, this. This. Nothing like using dirt to build your house's foundation. Foundation. English. And I'll just get this too. That should do. Alright, and get some wood. Oh, some sand would do good for an entrance, but an entrance way. Yep, this might do good. So this is the bottom half. Sure, using a lot of doors, I think. Anyway. Alright. So there you have it. This is the start. Now I think it's time to make the doors. Of course, I need a crafting bench. I just puked out wood. Alright. So, not very big, but I think very neat. I'll probably have like an enchanting table in the middle. mini library. And this one's the wrong direction. Alright. Then you got this. Dude. You got this. This and this. I didn't really think about this. Kind of just building as I go. They know I want this. Oh, this. Wait, wrong thing. I got this. Alright, that's the this is the entrance. And then I'll take this. Then you take a fence. Place it here and here. You need 2 doors. One here, one here. And this is good so far. It's looking good. Yeah, I think I'm gonna need one here. Spider-Man. And then I take this. I place one at every corner. And go up here. Alright. Right. And you know how that should look. But first let me clean the windows. There aren't many windows in this house. Or not on all sides. And now and that should do. It should definitely do. Alright. I don't know, let's see. Definitely an interesting house. Also, it gives shade. If anyone is homeless and they need shade or shelter from rain, there you go. I'm not going to be like those men that are like, get off my lawn. I can't do the voice. Get off my lawn. Derp. There's actually probably going to be an attic. Alright. I think I need some wood stairs. And a lot of stairs. Full stack of stairs. It's like stair deluxe. We'll need more stone stairs. I can tell. I'm going to have to use something. I'm going to use sand. Because sand is safe. A message from Metro. Mitch. Alright. I got this. Just. Alright. I get this. And just say 2. I think it's good. Alright, and here. I think this is looking pretty good. It's always fun building your house, because then you get to do it any way you want. No matter what people say about it, because it is yours. Never let people make you feel down about your house. I mean, they could complain, but they can't take what you want your house to look like away from you, so. That sounded weird. Now I want to put some lamp on the top. I can't, so I'll just put cobblestone. Alright, got this. Alright, let's see how it looks. Alright. Alright. Okay. We got that. I wasn't stuck at all. See anything. Alright. I left all the way over there. I like how distance my things are. Oh man. Okay, I need one of these and one of those. That's what I will need. And last of its kind, the one and only Poppy. Poppy. The British Poppy. British Poppy. And then we got an Italian dandelion. An Italian dandelion. That would make an Italian British combo. An Italian and British a combo. It's not a flower. This is a poppy. No, you're my poppy. Oh, no, you're not my poppy. None of you are my poppy. Alright, so I don't know. We've got a good start. Yeah. I'm gonna go to you, Bob. Get this. And then that can do you. No, just kidding. I think by next episode, I'm gonna have a little pond outside my place. Like, I guess I'll dig out the general area and then fill it with water. I should have just done that for the ground. Didn't I have to go make it complicated? Maybe I'll make another town called Minerival, because that's easier to say. No, it couldn't be. It's like too much in common. Or maybe another section of the town. But just kind of doesn't need to be neat. It's supposed to look like a pond. Ponds aren't neat, as my great-grandfather once said. I'm going to get some water and maybe a lily pad or two. Are there lily pads around here? I need some Scottish, or maybe some Australian lily pads. We have accented plants. That was a little late. There's some squids, and I have to kill those. Got to make a cake. Yes, we all know that Minecraft parody. I don't know what it's called. Something with cake. It's been so long since I've seen it. Anyway, there are no lily pads. Why just put a pumpkin in the water? This pond's gonna be nice. It's gonna have an abundance of fish. I like how sometimes, like I had a server, I was a very good fisher on it. I would tend to get stuff like enchantment books and other useful stuff, like fishing rods. Once my fishing rod was about to break, and why they go up here? I fished up another fishing rod. So many water sources. Let's just at least get like a cube, or like the block is missing. This is going very well. Nobody tell. That rhymed. I have an abundance seed to make rhymes. I actually thought I was going to completely fail. Now we just need to test it. That's all that's left. So, I will be HaonTheHardcoreGamer. Gamer, fisher, and of course, poem writer. Or maybe not poem. Writer. Can I just like... Oh, I got the idea. I got the idea! Yeah, like... I think I can jump here. It's levitating itself. Well, if you try, you can kind of get it. But kind of in the ground. Aha! Right. Now I can't see it at all. Just wait. Wait, I need to do something. I see you majestic wait. Nothing has gone forth yet. But one day, a fish will come out and bite. Any day. Any day. Any night. Way too late. I'm going to have to make some improvements on that. For now, I guess I'll just... Actually, no, it would be a good idea. Just making a fence. That is all for this time. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe, and I will see you guys, gamers, next time.